In today's video, we're looking at one of the best ways to make money online, and this is absolutely free to get started with. So in the video, what I'll do is I'll show you exactly how this works. I'll show you how simple it really is to go ahead and make money with this method. Now this is available worldwide and it's free to get started with. And what I like about this is you do not need a website, you do not need any skills, you don't need an email list or a blog or anything at all like that. You can get started with this today. Now make sure you stay till the end of this video, because what I'll do is we'll go through this process and I'll show you exactly how this works step by step. But then what we'll do is I'll go and show you how you can actually have more success with this method. I'll show you how you can also scale this up. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can start making some money today online for free from absolutely anywhere in the world. This is really good. I hope you're going to like this. So let's jump into this and we'll walk through the entire process to making some simple money online. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to show you one of the best ways to make some extra money online and from home. And to do this we're going to need a couple of different websites. So we'll go over the first website and then we'll move into the other websites that you're going to need and how you're going to basically bring all of this together. So the first website we're going to go ahead and have a look at is this one here. It's called Clickbank. Now I know this is not available worldwide, so don't worry, because I've also got another website which I'm going to share with you which is available worldwide. So what I've done here is I've just come over to Clickbank and I've gone into the marketplace. Now to do this, go over to Clickbank, you create a free account, and then you simply click on marketplace. Then on here where it says find products, you're going to put the words free plus trial. Then on here what's going to happen is it's going to bring up all of the products which you can start promoting and marketing, and how people basically sign up for free and they take a trial, and at the end of that trial they will either continue paying them a new monthly fee, or they will literally just cancel the trial. So they start with a free trial, and at the end of the trial they then get pitched the product, which ultimately is where you will earn your money from doing so. Now I'm going to show you some examples of free trials on here, and then I'll also share with you another method of making money, which is free products. And the free products convert really well, but I'm going to start with this free trial one because this is something that I went ahead and tested probably about a year ago, and I'll go and show you that page and I'll show you how I set it up and everything, so you know exactly how this method works. So on here I've just gone ahead and I've put free plus trial. Now on here you can go ahead and basically just scroll through and have a look at all of the different products on here. So here you're just going to go through and find different products that you want to go ahead and promote and basically have a look at. So in this example here, I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of one that I went and did probably, I think it was about a year ago, something like that. This was a page that I set up and it was called Proven Betting Systems. Now this was part of like a case study with a group. So we set this up around when the World Cup was kicking in, and this was all done using this method here, which we're going to speak about today. Now I've not actually touched this page for probably about 6 or 7 months, but it's still bringing me in sales every single week. Now, as you can see on here, it's a really simple page, it's a really simple layout. So I've gone on here, the page was called Proven Betting Systems, and as you can see, you check out the below with a £1 trial for 2 weeks. So people would go ahead and take this trial here for £1 for 2 weeks. Then at the end of the 2 weeks, they would go ahead and purchase the product, which as you can see here, cost £97 plus VAT. Now this was just one product on here. There was many more. There was a horse racing one, which we're going to go ahead and have a look at in a second, and there was a couple more on here that I went ahead and did. But you can see this is linking over to my Not Taught at School page, so this is absolutely true. This is my page that I set up here. Now on here, let me just scroll down as well. Let me just go ahead and see if I can find this for you. As you can see on here, there's nothing special about this page. Now, if I was to go down this method again, I'll show you exactly how I would do this differently, because this was using just a Facebook page. Now, you can do this with a Facebook page, but I would look at an alternative traffic source, and I'll share that one with you in a second. But you can see on here, so it was around when the World Cup was kicking off and was pushing a couple of different products. So there was this one here where you could get a 2-week trial for £1. There was horse racing systems, and there was a couple of other different systems that we were basically promoting over on here. So we'd go back over to Clickbank, and you go through here and you find a product that you want to promote. And any of these products that you want to promote, if you want to go and have a look at the sales page, you'd simply click on here, and then it will open up into a new tab. Now this is the tab, so this is basically the page where you would be sending people to. So you can see on here you get a free trial, so you get a free 10-day trial for all new Clickbank members. Start your risk-free trial today. So if we click on close, this is basically the sales page. So this is Trend Expert Racing Tips, and you come down here and then you've got all the things on here. You've got it's a sales page, let's be honest. Now if I scroll down to the bottom of here, you know, they've got all proof on here how much they're earning. But if I keep coming down to the bottom of the page, where is it? Come down here, you can see. So this is how it works. So people come in on a 10-day free trial, and at the end of that trial, they will go ahead and sign up to either the monthly plan, the yearly plan, or the quarterly plan, and then you earn a commission for basically however long they stay on the trial for. Oh, sorry, how long they continue paying each and every single month. Now on this one here, let's go ahead and have a look at this here. So you can see your average sale is expected to be around $32, and then you've also got an average rebill. So because this is another reason why I like these trials ones, and especially like in the betting niche, if you like, they offer these monthly and weekly payments. So you go ahead, you make a sale up front, but then you also earn basically a passive income because people stay on these betting sites for a long time. So this was a very niche specific offer and product. So the betting one, you can find many different ones around betting and gaming online and things like that. So when I went ahead and did this before, obviously I did this Facebook page over here, and I literally just went over to the sales pages. I took different clips from here, and on these, like especially in the betting niche here, you can go and have a look at the results. So what I would do on here is I would go into the results and just basically copy and paste images on here. So I did this with a Facebook page. Now I've not touched this for a long time. If I was doing this today and you're watching this now, this is exactly how I would do this. I would go over to Clickbank, I would get a product that I want to promote, and then I would come over to Instagram. Now let me go ahead and show you this on Instagram. So I've come on Instagram and I've just put in the hashtag betting, and you can see the total number of posts on here, and you can see they do get a lot of interaction on these posts. So I'm just going to go into one and show you this. So you can see here, this is the sports trader. He's only put up 78 posts. Yeah, he's already got 10,000 followers, and here's a link in here where he's sending people over to a product. And all he's doing on here is he's going ahead and sharing different tips and strategies around betting basically, and then he's leading people over to sales pages. So you can see here, this is how I would do this moving forward, because he's only done 78 posts yet. He's got over 10k followers, and he will have made a lot of sales from sending people over to sports traders offers. So the betting niche, it's very popular, and also you can go ahead and earn some really good decent commissions with it, just because of the fact that people go onto a recurring commission every single month. So that is one option for you. Now obviously the sports betting one is very niche, but another one that you can go ahead and have a look at is this niche here, which is basically the fitness niche. Now on the fitness niche, you can go ahead and find thousands of products which you can go ahead and promote. But with this one, what this method here is, you're actually giving it away for free. Now let me go ahead and show you what I mean by that. So let me go over to Clickbank. Now on here, I'm just going to go free plus shipping. I'm going to hit on search. Now this is a method that lots of dropshippers do, where they give away a product for free and customers just pay for shipping. But with this method, you don't need to worry about any of that sort of stuff. You literally just go ahead and promote the product and share it. So you can come on here, you can see you've got lots of different options on here. Now let's have a look at some of these on here. So we've got this one here, free exercise resistant loop bands. You can expect to earn $7.19 for everyone who you're going to send over to this product. So now if we go ahead and have a look at the product, let's click on here and we'll go see the page. So this is the page. So this is where you would be sending people to. So they would land on this page here, and then you can see claim your free exercise resistant loop bands. They come down here and literally they just put in the shipping details, and then they have to go ahead and pay postage. So they get it for free, but they pay postage. And for everyone who goes ahead and does that, you will earn $7.19. So that is just two different options for you. Giving these things away, the free products and the trial products, they convert really well, and especially with things like fitness and exercise. You can go on Instagram and create a page on Instagram, and honestly, you can build it up very quickly. I'm just going to go and look into the hashtag fitness, so you can see. Hashtag fitness alone, it's got over 300. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's got over 300 million posts in the hashtag fitness, and you can go through and have a look at all of these. So that is using the platform Clickbank. So you can go ahead and find products on here. So you've got free plus shipping and free plus trial. They're really awesome ways to go ahead and earn money. If you're not in a country that where you can sign up to Clickbank, another platform that you can go ahead and check out is this one here, and it's called Max Bounty. Now on Max Bounty, again, all I've done here is I've come onto the homepage and I've just typed in free. Now this example here, you can see this is a website called Freebies Frenzy, and you can expect to earn $6 per lead for everyone you send over to here. So let's go ahead and have a look at the sales page. So this is what is this? A free flosser. So let's go up to the top. So you get your link and then you're sending people over to here, and it's a pretty cool sales page. They've got a video on here, but basically they're going to go ahead and get access to this free flosser, and all they have to do is go ahead and pay shipping. So you can see here, originally $49.95, just pay shipping and handling, and you can go ahead and send people to this, and then you would earn, in this example here, you would earn $6 for every single person who goes ahead and signs up and gets this free flosser, and they just pay shipping. Now, one thing to know over on Max Bounty, because it's more about cost per action on here and cost per lead, you can only, well, basically 80 actions per day. So if you're getting 80 people a day paying $6, you're going to be earning some awesome commissions. So that there is the method and the different websites that you can go ahead and use to start basically earning some extra money online. Now, I said to you at the beginning, if you watch this to the end, I'll show you how you can scale this up. So if we go back over onto Instagram, we're going to go on here. Now, when you start to create your content over on Instagram, what I would recommend is if you go into a niche and you find your hashtags that you want to use in that niche. So if you was to go into, let's say, the sports trader on here, you would go and find people who are in your niche who have pretty big decent accounts, and then all you would do is, let's go into one of these, we would go in and I would start with a group. So I would say Instagram hashtags group 1. These are the hashtags that you're going to use with group 1 posts. The next one would be group 2, and again you'd just simply go in here and you'd get all of these hashtags here, because you do not want to keep posting the same hashtags on every single Instagram post. So you would go in there and you would go through and you'd pick out their hashtags. Another thing that you want to do, which is pretty, this person here has done it, lots of people on Instagram just go ahead and leave this here. This is the name section. They just leave this as their name, but not many people are going ahead and looking for, people's names on here. So in the name section here, you want to include keywords which are related to your niche. So this person here is doing it very well, the sports trader. If we go look at fitness, let's go and have a look at this one here. Let's go and have a look at a page. I have no idea what I mean, sorry, so I can't give you an example on that one. Let's try again. So we're going fitness. Let's go on this one. Let's scroll down. Let's find one. This one's got a lot of likes. Let's have a look at this one. See on their page. So you see here, for example, with Lena, how many people are actually going to be coming over to Instagram and searching for Lena? I don't think many people are. But if you were to go ahead and change this and put something like fitness coach or workout coach or whatever, basically what people are going to be searching for Instagram is going to go ahead and it would help bring her profile up in the Instagram search. So that is just a couple of different tips for you, how you can go ahead and start building your Instagram account faster. If you want more tips and some free software that you can use to basically schedule all of your posts for Instagram, go over to my account. And you see this video I did yesterday, how to get Instagram organic as follow I can't speak, how to get Instagram followers organically. This will walk you through different websites that you can use to go and get hashtags. It will show you some free software that you can go ahead and schedule your Instagram post, and it'll also show you how you can pretty much put everything on autopilot. But that is today's video. That is the method. So you go over to sites like Clickbank and like Max Bounty, you find products which are either free plus shipping or free plus trial, Once you've got those, you then go over to Instagram and you create an account based around that niche or topic. Then you start putting content out there, and you're going to be having your hashtag groups on there. You're going to be using SEO for your title, and then go and watch the video I did yesterday and it'll show you how you can grow your channel very quickly. So that's enough for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know, but thank you for watching and I shall see you tomorrow.